Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into your Google account on the Android device and have Clash Royale installed from Google Play. Once done, open Clash Royale and tap the settings gear. This is where Play connections live. Make sure your internet is stable so the game can reach Google Play services. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you want connected now, because the link will use that account for cloud saves and purchases. Now continue inside Clash Royale settings, locate accounts or Google Play section and tap Connect or Sign In. You'll see a Google account picker. Select the account you confirmed earlier. The app will request permissions for Play services and cloud saves. Grant them so your progress syncs. Once you tap Accept, the game performs an authentication handshake with Google Play. Wait for the confirmation message. Make sure to stay on the screen until it completes, since interrupting can leave the finish by checking the settings show connected for Google Play, then restart the game to validate cloud sync and restore purchases. If the connection fails, clear Google Play Store and Play Services cache, reboot your device, then try signing in again. This often fixes token or cache issues. Make sure Play Services is updated. If problems persist, reinstall Clash Royale after backing up progress. One key troubleshooting tip: use the same Google account consistently, because mixing accounts can prevent recovery of your saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.